Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'll show you how to make WhatsApp voice calls. If you're new to WhatsApp or simply want to learn the correct way to make voice calls, this step-by-step guide will help you through the entire process. Before we begin, I'd like to mention one important thing. I'm recording this tutorial on my PC using WhatsApp Desktop. However, my computer doesn't have a connected microphone, so I can't demonstrate the voice calling feature directly from the desktop application. That's why I'll show you the complete voice calling process using my phone. Just follow the steps shown on the screen, and you'll be able to make WhatsApp voice calls without any problem. Now let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Next, open the chat of the person you want to call. Once you're inside the conversation, tap the voice call icon located at the top right corner of the screen. WhatsApp will immediately start calling the selected contact. Wait for the other person to answer the call. Once the call is connected, you can begin talking just like a normal phone call, but over your internet connection. During the call, you'll see several useful options. You can tap the mute button if you want to turn off your microphone temporarily. You can also enable the speaker option to hear the audio through your phone's loudspeaker. If you need to switch to a video call, simply tap the video call icon during the conversation. When you've finished talking, tap the end call button to disconnect the call. That's all there is to it. Making WhatsApp voice calls is quick, easy, and completely free when you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your call quality isn't clear, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, ensure that WhatsApp has permission to access your phone's microphone, otherwise voice calls may not work properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make WhatsApp voice calls in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.